Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files in Google Drive. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open Google Drive. To upload a file in a Google Drive, so this is the home screen. Now in the bottom right corner you can see plus sign, tap on it, then you want to tap on upload. Now on the top left corner you can see there are three horizontal lines, tap on it, then tap on documents, which is above downloads. Then now select the file in which the file is stored in, then tap on the file which you want to upload. Then it will start to get downloaded in your Google Drive. After some time the file will be downloaded in Google Drive. You just have to refresh it to see if it is downloaded or not. So here you can see the uploaded file, and this is how you upload file in Google Drive. You can go and check through it so that if it is the file that you have uploaded or not, and this is how you can upload a file in a Google Drive. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.